Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Steven once again. I hope you guys are having fun with Canva app. So today we're going to treat some of the questions that came along. So the first question says, can I change the shape of the image that I have used? If you recall, over here we had one circular image. It is asking if it can be replaced with another shape, and the answer is yes. All right, Canva has been designed so well that we almost have everything in there to help you achieve your goal. So what we're going to do now is to come down to this shape, this particular icon here, plus sign. Once you click on it, it will give you this or give you another kind of look. But you will now focus on this place. They have frames. You can see it here, or you can scroll up. You can scroll up like this. You can see now. You still have it here. So what we do is that you click on that frame. You click on frame. Once you click on frame, you now have shapes of different sizes and types. So it depends on what you want to achieve with the kind of shape you want. Okay, but for me, for the sake of the training, I'm going to just pick one frame. Okay, there are two different things here. What you are going to use is frames. We click on any of the frame and not shapes like square, like all this and all that, because when you click on element in the first place, you have different items. You get it? You have different items. So please, all you're going to use is frames. All right, so I'm picking this now. You click on it and you have it on your flyer. All I need to do is to position it well where I'm going to use it. All right, good, perfect. So the next thing is to ask yourself, what kind of services am I offering? What kind of image do I want to use here? Okay, so for me, we can use any image, but if for instance you are selling items like cream, you are selling phone accessories, or you are doing a food business, all you need to do is to be sure that you have the item on your phone. Okay, so what we need to do again is to click on this plus sign again. We want to upload the image that I have on my phone to the Canva gallery. So you come here and click on upload. Once I click on it, already I have some images on my gallery because it's not the first time I'm using Canva. So we have a lot of images that I've uploaded that I use in different occasions. So I'm going to, okay, let me, for the sake of this training, I want to use this particular image. Okay, I'll click on it and you have it on your flyer. This image looks small, but again, I want to increase it. How do you increase your images? I told you before, you grab this point here, right hand bottom right here. Okay, any of the, either here or this part or the left hand side, but because of the way it has been positioned, I have more space here, so I think I will drag it from this side. once you drag it, you pull it to the right. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to put my hand there and drag the image. So once you get to that frame that you have dropped, that you want to insert your image, once you get there, you will find out that the frame has somewhat assumed maybe the border color of your image, and you leave it. Okay, you have actually, inserted the image in that frame. So that is number one question sorted. So the second question is, can I also insert my own logo on the flyer? The answer is yes. So we'll still go the same process of clicking the plus sign. Before you put up a logo, make sure you ask your designer to save it as PNG. PNG. Note it down. Let them save it as PNG. PNG logo doesn't have backgrounds. All right, it's void of background. So we're going to actually use the ones I've removed their backgrounds. Okay, you can see this logo doesn't have any background. Okay, so let me reduce it a bit. It's one of the logos that I have in my gallery. Okay, reduce it a bit. You can move it up to this place. Okay, reduce this a bit, and we're good. So this is how you upload your logo, and how you change the shape of your image box. These are the two things, part of the things we're showing you today. The next one is to show you the different templates that we have on a Canva, so that you'll be guided as you are making your designs. We're still going back to this plus sign. Click on it, come to templates. The templates are like the flyer templates and so on and so forth. So if you are scrolling down up, you'll find out that some templates have a pro written on them. Pro with a crown like icon beside it. This shows that if you want to use this template, you are going to use it and pay for it. Okay, you don't need to actually, for me, my advice is that you don't need to actually click on them to maybe try to use it, because once you click on it, it will ask you for payment. All right, so but they have millions of free templates that you can use. Don't bother about the ones that has pro on them. All right, don't bother about those that have pro on them. Just use the free ones. You can achieve your aim by just using those free ones. So the templates are, they have different ones. Okay, look at the categories. If you're a food person, you're selling food, you have templates for food. You want to do something for for summer, you have a template for it. For any party, for birthday, you are a music person, you have a school, or you want to enter travel agency, or you want to do invitation card, or business, kids, menu, education, wedding, hiring, art, sale, list, sports, happy birthday. There are so many of them. Okay, so just click on any one and manipulate those items and you are good. Okay, so we'll still expect questions from you. Okay, by tomorrow we'll do more on how to use other items, how to position, how to superimpose or order one to go below this or below that. Thank you and have fun.